90-day fiance. Yes, a nice little update here on Leida Felony charges being dismissed. Okay. Now, it does say here that former 90-day star avoids prison time again, has multiple felony charges have been dropped against her for the second time in less than 6 months. According to the court documents exclusively obtained by Sarcasm, the felony charges of theft were wire fraud and bail jumping. A jumping failed against Lady in May of last year were dismissed on Wednesday. The court dismissed the case after a motion filed by prosecutors indicated that they did not feel they had enough evidence to convict from the state's motion to dismiss. The state of Wisconsin, by District Attorney Keith Ham, moved to the court to dismiss this matter without prejudice. In preparation for the trial, my apologies, the state has concerns about its ability to meet its burden of proof at this time. The state has conferred with the victim in this matter and is in compliance with the victim's rights laws. Okay, the allegations that were made against her. Okay, and these allegations here was she was arrested and charged with 3 felony counts in May of 2024 after she allegedly embezzled money from a business she was working for. Okay, from Sarcasm's previous post about the arrest, the criminal complaint details of all the fraudulent charges, listing them with their dates. The total of these charges amounts of $14,472 and 92 cents. I have no idea why I had to take a long breath for that one. I do apologize. Anyway, with that being said, the Mixtech owner later reported to the investigator that some of the transferred funds have been reimbursed to the company's bank accounts. Prior to May 2024 arrest, Leida was arrested and charged with felony fraud, theft, and forgery in October of 2023. The allegations once again involve Leida being accused of taking money from an employer. These felony charges were dismissed in December of 2004. Okay. Sarcasm has exclusive details of the arrest. Okay, so obviously this is the post back then, obviously confirming what had happened back in June when this was first posted. Now, also here, it says that she's still facing charges despite having multiple felony cases against her dismissed. Leida is still facing more criminal charges, with including 1 felony. As Sarcasm previously reported, Leida was arrested on January 24 of this year after an altercation with her husband, Eric. During the altercation, Leida allegedly threatened to harm herself with a knife, according to the police report. She also allegedly grabbed the couple's young dog with both hands around his neck, and slammed it to the ground. The police report also revealed that Leida was pregnant at the time of her arrest. Leida is facing misdemeanor charges of domestic disorderly conduct while armed with a dangerous weapon and mistreat animals. She is also facing a felony count of bail jumping because she was out on a bond from her previous arrest at the time of this instance, and committing a crime is a violation of the terms of her bond. The former 90-day fiancé is due back in court for a preliminary hearing later this month. So, even though she has got a felony felony charges that has been dismissed, there are still other felonies going on right now. So this woman isn't necessarily completely off the hook as it stands. I guess we have to wait and find out for some more updates in the future. Nonetheless, though, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section and we'll talk about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, peace.